Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a few post reviews to show y'all. I have got a few things that I completed in the month of June, but I've also got something that I completed today, which is July the 5th, that I wanted to go ahead and show y'all. Alright, so before I get into all of this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I know I say this every single video, but it is true. I appreciate all of y'all. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I hope you all had a great 4th of July. Some of y'all are probably off for a 3-day weekend. Hope you stay safe. Have fun. And yeah. And stay hydrated because, y'all, it is hot out there. So, alright. Now, I am going to show y'all a couple things that I've completed. Now, I know where I got them, but if I can find the links, I will post that in my, I'll leave the links in my description box. But I'm not real sure on a couple of these things. So, alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all this. Now, this is just a wooden coaster. It was just one in a pack. I got this a long time ago, and I hope y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see with my lighting. But anyway, it's like 8 o'clock at night, and I'm just using the light from my magnifying glass and a lamp. So that's about all the light I have in here. But this is just one of those single coasters. I don't know. It's just something that I got a long, probably like 2 years ago, that has been in my stash. And I just pulled it out and did it the other day because it was just something quick and easy. I have no idea where this came from. It had to have either come from Amazon or a review for a company. So I have no idea. But anyway, I completed it and it is sparkly and cute. So there was that. Now, I have got a set of cat coasters, and I started these probably 2 months ago, and this is just something that I've had in my living room. And when I'm sitting in the living room with my husband at night watching TV, I'll just grab one of these and work it, and you know, I might do 1, 1.5, or 2, depending on how long the TV show is, or you know, if he falls asleep on the couch, then I'll come back into my craft room, you know, whatever. But I've had these in there for about 2 months, and I just finished them. I think it was like on the 20th of June, something like that. So, like I said, they are cat coasters. They are plastic, but they did have the cork back on them. Or, well, I had to put those on them. But there's the one, and there is, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. But I thought they were cute. And I was almost going to, try to finish these and put them in my yard sale as a completed set. Just to see if I would get anybody interested in them, but I didn't finish them in time. So, and for those who are following me, and if you know or remember, I said that I had a yard sale, or was gonna have a yard sale. Me and my cousin did have a yard sale. One weekend we had it at her house, and then the next weekend we had it at mine. I had 42 diamond paintings to sell. I sold, I think, maybe 5, and that was it, y'all. Nobody was interested in them, and it's not because they weren't interested in the ones that I had. Nobody knew what it was. I was shocked. I was like, really? Have you been living under a rock? But yeah, I was shocked. Like I said, there was only like 3 women that... Actually, no, I didn't. I sold more than that, because one woman, I think she bought 8 of them. And then I had another woman who bought 2. So I sold about 12, but anywhere between 10 and 12. But yeah, I'm just like, I was shocked. Like I said, I only had like the 2, maybe a third woman that even bought them, and they knew what they were. They were very interested, and yeah, I had small conversations with them about diamond painting. So, so this next one that I completed, this was the mystery canvas that I got from Amazon 2 or 3 years ago. And y'all, this turned out really cute. I had no idea. I did this one. This is a square, and it is a 30 by 40 or 40 by 30. It had 21 colors, and I did this. I don't normally, but I did do this one color by color, because I wanted to be surprised at what it was. You know, I didn't want to start doing it by sections and then get to the 3rd section and be like, oh, so that's what it is. Because I just felt like that would take the fun out of it. So I did this color by color. And I kid you not, I could tell what it was. When I started seeing this right here, I could tell that this was going to be a landscape. But I could not tell until I got over halfway done with this what it was going to be, because I kept thinking this was going to either be a car, like a green bug, or, and when I say bug, I mean a Volkswagen Beetle. I thought that's what that was. And then I sat there and I was like, well, no, maybe that's a little hill, maybe it's a mountain. I could not tell what that was. And this is pixelated, but I enjoyed it. I really did, because the way that it was rendered, you could not tell what this was before you started laying drills on it. You could not tell what this was, and I really enjoyed this. So I think this one took me about a week and a half maybe to do, because I did not work on it every day, and like I said, I was doing a yard sale, so I was just like tired by the time I got done. But anyway, love it. And the shine on this is amazing, and the stick on this was like crazy sticky. And this, like I said, I think I got this either in 2022 or 2021. I don't remember now when I got it. Okay, so there's that one. Now, this little one I did for the 4th of July, because I was like, you know what? I seen Donna had done some for the 4th, and I'm like, you know what? I have got some red, white, and blue 4th of July type diamond paintings, and I need to do one myself. So I picked this little guy out. Now this one I did get from Temu. I didn't get very much at all for him. Now I did add some ABs, like in the wings, because those were the AB colors that I actually had. That was listed in here, because it only had 14 colors. Buster's just shook the camera. Anyway, it only had 14 colors, and the DMC colors that are charted on here, I only had 4 ABs. And, which, I mean, I had the 3865, but I didn't want to do the whole background. But I did have some of the gray. I think it was the 414, the 4... I know I did 939, 823, 414, and it might have been 318. But it was really just the grays and the dark blue, which, I don't know if y'all can see it that well. But it's cute. I was kind of hoping I had some red ABs. Now, I could have stuck my own color of red in there, but I wanted to stay with the DMCs. So, this took me like 2 days. So, I got putty in that. I needed to get that out. So, but yeah. Very cute. Didn't take long. So, now this one. This canvas here is the one for Diamond Painting with Friends that Chef Laura's doing right now. This is the Disney event that we're doing. And I actually completed it. So here is the Villians. Sorry, y'all. I keep having to pause. That's the second time I've had to pause in order to cough and sneeze. I was fine until I started talking. So I don't know. So anyway, I started this on July the 3rd, and today is the 5th, and I just finished it probably 10 minutes ago, right before I did the video. But it turned out so pretty. And this is also a 30 by 40, and it had 28 colors. But is it not pretty? So I will leave a link to this one. I got this off Amazon actually last year when Laura did the Disney event. I got this one, and then I got the other one where their faces, it's like this, and their faces are right there. And I didn't know which one I wanted to do for the event last year, so I ended up doing the other one. Put this one in my portfolio, and I pulled this one out to do this year. So, if you can see, there is the canvas number. And like I said, it's a 30 by 40. I got this off of Amazon. I will go back and look and see if they still have this. If they do, I'll put the link in my description box, and y'all can go check this out. It was less than $5 because, y'all, I don't buy a canvas from Amazon that is above $5. I don't. So, yeah, I'll leave a link to this in my description box. I've had, let's see, I had plenty of drills. This is the one from here. So I had plenty of drills left over, and 4 of these I didn't even use because I used the I used my ABs. And then this is the ones I had left of yeah, these are the squares that I had from the mystery kit. I had plenty of all of these left. I think there was one. Yeah, that's all that I had left of that color. So that one kind of made me nervous. And then this one, I had a ton of drills left over from it. This actually had 2 bags of 310s, and I used 1 whole bag, and that was what I had left of the second. Now this kit did have a lot of static in the drills, so I had dryer sheets stuck in those little containers. So yeah, this is what I've actually gotten done in June. And then, like I said, this one I started on the 3rd, finished it today on the 5th. So now I am going to find a Christmas canvas, which I have plenty of, and I'll probably do one of those for the Christmas in July event. And I've actually started on a Book Nook miniature kit that I have to do for a review for Amazon. And yeah, I don't know what else I'll get into. So I hope y'all like these. I enjoyed them. I had a lot of fun, especially with this mystery kit, y'all. I love a mystery kit. I really, really do. Especially if you cannot tell at all what it is before you start. And then still, the ones that you can tell, it's fun to watch them come alive because they're all black and white backgrounds. And when you start putting color on a black and white background, it is just so satisfying to see, you know, the picture come to life. So, alright, y'all, that's all I had was this small little post review. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I would truly appreciate it if you haven't. I'm inching my way up to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I'd appreciate you know, if you wanted to subscribe, that would be cool. So, alright, y'all, that's all I got for tonight, and I guess until my next video, I hope you're all well, and I hope you're all enjoying your weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.